let's chat law. Business law. Professor Emeritus, what is sole trader? All right, let's chat it. A sole trader is someone who runs a business on his own as a self-employed person. A sole trader can operate in any trade or profession, such as a minicab driver, hairdresser, or a lawyer. A type of unincorporated business that is carried on by one person who is personally liable for all liabilities. That is sole trader. There is no distinction between the sole trader and the business. Formalities. No formal steps need be taken to set up as a sole trader. But the sole trader must register with HM Revenue and Customs for tax purposes. There is no single piece of legislation governing a business run by a sole trader. The law governing the sole trader's activities is to be found in various pieces of legislation, which can equally apply to individuals or business generally. Example, sole trader must register for value-added tax, that is VAT, if his business turnover exceeds a certain threshold. It is also subject to common law. How sole traders operate. Vast majority of sole traders work entirely alone. Sole trader has the right to make all decisions affecting the business. A sole trader owns all the assets of the business and is responsible for paying income tax on all profits of the business. Some may have employees working for them. The business will still be a sole trader where there are employees, if the sole trader owns the business alone. A sole trader earns his income from the money received from his customers or clients and keeps all the profit for himself. I like that. Liabilities of a sole trader. In law, a sole trader is personally liable for all the debts of the business. The business has no separate legal status of its own. This means that the sole trader's business assets and personal assets are treated as one and the same. If the business, example bakery, fails, it is not just the sole trader's business assets, such as shop, bread and delivery van, but also the sole trader personal possessions, including any savings, house, and car, which may be taken and sold to repay outstanding debts. If the sole trader is unable to pay all the debts, he may be made bankrupt. This is known as unlimited liability. Retirement and death of a sole trader. When a sole trader retires or dies, the business ceases. Although the business or individual assets may be sold if a buyer or buyers in general are interested. Taxation of sole traders. All right, this is treated under tax. So look up forward for the other clips. All right, we deal with capital gains, capital profit and losses. A sole trader may realize a capital gain or loss on the disposal of a chargeable asset used in his trade. Income tax, income profits and losses. Income tax, profit and loss. The trading profits of a sole trader's business form part of the sole trader's total income chargeable to income tax. Inheritance tax, that is gifts. If a sole trader transfers a business asset that results in a transfer of value for inheritance tax purposes, an inheritance charge may be appropriated. VAT, a sole trader who makes chargeable supplies in excess of £85,000 in any 12 months period will be required to register for VAT. National insurance contribution. As a self-employed person, a sole trader will pay Class 2 and Class 4 NIC, will pay Class 1 contributions in respect of employees. All right, thanks for watching. Please, can you share and subscribe? Subscribe to my channel. Give your comments, like and share.